Machiegni kendo nyaka Ramogi jalar komten piny Kenya jotiku mar UDA William Ruto ogolo duonde kaseo mokalo wach manowach gi jatend piny Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta ni osume paro ewi kar gowo mar mwandu manolosi Naivasha.
Ruto mane wuoyo kinde manotelo ne kweth mar Kenya Kwanza e Serombulu e kar bago romo matononoka owacho ni winjruok mare gi jatend piny Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta ne ok oriwo daro kar loro mwandu koya Mombasa nyaka Naivasha.
And I want to say the following, that as when I spoke in Nakuru and when I speak in Mombasa, I speak the same language. In Nakuru, we undertook, when we built the SGR, it was not so that we can take the port operations from Mombasa to Nairobi. We built the SGR to Naivasha because we wanted to have an industrial city in Mombasa, in Nakuru. An industrial city in Naivasha.
Tarehe 9 ndio tunaenda kupiga kura ili shughuli na biashara za bandari zirudi Mombasa, ili wale wenye makampuni ya clearing wafanye kazi hapa, vijana wapate kazi. Kazi iendelee, siendelee.
We are looking forward to a peaceful transition. You give us peace, we will let you rest in peace. This is nchi ya mtu mmoja. Hii ni nchi inabeba halaiki ya Wakenya. 50 million of us. This is our country.